In day-to-day use, they were mostly great. I used them while walking, working at home, and on a few short flights. The lightweight design means they never felt like they were dragging down my ears. But, and this was the main issue for me, after about 90 minutes, I started to feel a little discomfort. Not right away, but after longer sessions, they'd bother my ears just a bit. I tried different tips, and it got better, but never perfect. Some people may not have this problem at all, but for me, it was hit or miss depending on the day. The touch controls are responsive, though I personally prefer physical buttons. Sometimes I'd tap to pause and accidentally trigger a different command. It's not the worst I've seen, but it takes a bit of getting used to. Battery life was solid. I easily got through a full workday with intermittent listening and didn't feel like I was charging them constantly. The case holds a decent charge too,